Hey everyone, it's Kathy Crafty Chica and I am in love with hydro dipping. Let me show you what I did with these hearts. Alrighty, so I started off using these Easy Marble paints by Marabu Creative. They're so colorful, highly pigmented. They worked beautifully for this project. You're also going to need some wax paper so you could put your pieces to dry. And you're going to need a container to fill with water. After that, you're going to need some kind of a stick to stir the paint around, definitely some plastic gloves. Okay, let's talk about what you want to dip. I have these Crafty Chica bisque hearts that I designed for the paint on pottery industry, but bisque kind of separates with the paint. You'd really need a non-porous surface. So I took the bisque heart and I coated it with Mod Podge, like any kind of water-based sealer. That made it non-porous. Alrighty, so here we go. You want to fill up your container with the water. This is a ceramic heart that I already glazed with Mod Podge, and I added some black designs on there with craft paint. And now I'm going to add the drops of the different colors that I want to use. It's a good idea to take off the caps before you start working, or at least loosen them, because you've got to work fast. This stuff dries quickly. After that, you can swirl it around with the stick, or you can just pick it up if you like the way that it looks like this, which is what I'm going to do with this. Make sure you're wearing your gloves, and you're going to submerge your piece to pick up all of that paint. Here we go. Oh, that looks so cool. I love it with the black outlines. Now there's still some paint in the water, so I'm going to re-dip this to pick up some more color. That's the skull ornament. I have been dipping everything around me that I can find. Okay, let me show you one of the hearts. So here's a heart. Again, it's coated and dried. I'm going to swirl it around with the stick, and now I'm going to submerge it in there, pick it up. Oh, that came out beautiful. Now do you see why I'm addicted? Once you're done dipping your pieces, set them out to dry on the wax paper. So here's the one that I did without the sealer. It's kind of a cool look, and you can actually fill it in with alcohol ink to give it another kind of look. I'll show you a picture at the end of this. But yeah, they came out really nice. After they're dry, you could add gold leaf, you could paint some designs on them. Make sure to seal them with high gloss varnish and they will look even more beautiful. And here are my finished pieces. I added glitter, I added some painted accents, even some gold leaf. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and share, subscribe, and visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas. Thanks, guys!